Ask me about Botox. I know you have questions. I know you're curious. If you're a guy, is Botox for you? If I call it BOTOX, would you maybe be interested? For sure. All genders, all ages for Botox. Ask, I love questions anytime. Ask us on our Instagram. Come in and ask us. Send us a telegram. Carrier pigeon. We're happy to answer your questions. Botox is simple. It is very safe. It is well tolerated. And it hurts a little bit. It hurts very little. I'm going to be injecting myself to show you how little the discomfort is. Here at the Downtown Doctor, we use very tiny needles, and that helps decrease the discomfort as well. I like to mark up the muscles that I'm going to inject with a white oil pencil. So if I pull my brows together, you can see this strong muscle in the middle. And then when I'm relaxed and I don't want to look like I'm upset or irritated, these lines remain. That's why I want to calm my muscles down a little bit. So I'm going to put a little white dot there, and then over the muscles here, the procerus up here and here. I'm going to do a little bit more on this side because that muscle is stronger, and a little bit here as well. I generally am going for 10 years younger, and I could calm down my crow's feet a little bit, but I'm not going for 25. So I'm just gonna let my crow's feet be for now. But if I wanted to calm down someone's crow's feet or smile lines, I would just put my little white dots on there. But we're not doing that today. So here we go. Going to put a few units right here in the glabella. I'm able to see in the mirror how many units I'm doing and control the needle by stabilizing my elbows on the table here. And my wonderful assistant, Kate, is videoing this for y'all and for us. And she loves your questions too.
Keep them coming.
That's right.
Just gotta get the right angle.
All about the angle. And the breath work. I'm going to change needles after these needles are so fine and tiny, they get dull pretty quickly. So it's fun to use a new needle, just like a good knife in your kitchen. The sharper it is, the better of a tool it is for you. No different here. So I'm going at least 2 millimeters superior of the brow. And that gets me out of any troubled area that would involve a nerve, artery, or vein. It's also fun to inject yourself because you don't need to use gloves.
There you go.
Because I can't transmit a transmissible disease to my own self.
Fact of the day, ladies and gentlemen.
There you go.
Can't help but notice how steady your hands are too.
Thank you. That's growing up in Texas shooting guns.
There you go.
With that steady hand. Okay, that's all she wrote. So thanks for tuning in. Don't try this at home. I also don't recommend using a Groupon or something like that for Botox. You know, when someone's putting needles in your face, you really want to go to a trained professional, someone who has studied anatomy. I make it look easy, make it look simple. That's because I'm an expert.